You have bridged the wall with an aqueous suspension of calcium hydroxide. After 2 days, the wall turned to white color. What are the steps involved in whitewashing of the walls? Write the balanced chemical reactions using the appropriate symbols.
When we apply the aqueous solution of slaked lime on a wall, it is not very white. It reacts with carbon dioxide gas present in air and will form calcium carbonate as well as water. The resultant water gets evaporated and calcium carbonate, which is quite white in color, stuck to the wall. Hence, after 2 days, the wall turns to white color. The balanced chemical reaction is when calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, it gives rise to calcium carbonate and water.